So today we will start chapter 5, profit, loss and discount. Before starting this chapter, let's recall some terms. First one is cost price. Cost price is the price at which an article is purchased, and selling price, the price at which an article is sold. Now, first case, when selling price is greater than cost price. This means we are selling an article at a price which is greater than the cost price. So we have a gain or profit. We have a profit. And profit is equal to SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price, and profit percentage, profit divided by cost price multiply 100%. When CP is greater than SP, this means that we are selling an article at a price which is less than the cost price of the article, or the cost price is greater than selling price. This means that we have a loss. For example, suppose you buy a pen for ₹5 and sell it to your friend in ₹4. This means that you are buying the pen in ₹5 and selling it at ₹4. This means that you have a loss, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, CP minus SP. And loss percent, if you have to find loss percent, then this is equal to loss divided by cost price multiply 100%. Now, how to find selling price or cost price when profit percent or loss percent is given? Suppose profit percent is given. When profit is given in percent, then we have selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 multiply cost price, and cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent multiply selling price. And when loss percent is given, loss is given in percent, then selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into cost price, and cost price is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. You can also combine both the formulas. In both the cases, we have profit percent or loss percent. So we can also write selling price is equal to 100 plus minus X percent divided by 100 into CP, and CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus minus X percent into SP. When profit is given, you can write plus X. When loss is given, you have to write minus X, where X is the profit percent or the loss percent. Similarly, here also 100 by 100 plus, plus means profit and minus means loss. So you can apply this formula too. Let's solve a question by applying the same formulas. By selling a bedsheet for ₹640, this means this is the selling price here selling price is rupees 640. A shopkeeper earns a profit of 28%. Profit is given in percent, so profit percent is 28%. How much did it cost the shopkeeper? That means you have to find the cost price. Cost price is what? Now we have already discussed to find cost price when profit is given in percent. When profit is given in percent, cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent into SP. So we can find the cost price. Cost price is 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent into SP. 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent is 28 into selling price is 640. 100 divided by 128 into 640. 128 1 128 120 128 1 128 128 5 is 640 and 100 into 5 is 500. So rupees 500 is the cost price of the bed sheet. This is the required answer.